Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about we have detected unusual activity on the account you are trying to access in Google. So let's get started. So in order to fix this, you'll have to reset your Google password. So firstly, open the Google account, then add another account, then continue with the process. And here sign in using your email address with which problem you have been occurring. Once you are signed in using your email address, then you will get to see enter your password option available there. Then simply tap on the get help option available from there. Now from get help, you will be navigated to enter your password again. Then tap on the try another way. Now after that, tap on the try another way again since we need mobile verification. Now, until and unless you see mobile verification option available there, tap on the try another way. And once you see your mobile number option available there, then tap on the S and a verification code will be sent and you can reset your Google password. And if you have not already added a layer of security as enable two-factor authentication in your Google account, and after that report the suspicious messages to Google. Most email providers have a way to mark email as phishing attempts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.